Hello, my dear aspirants. Welcome to this explainer. Look, I know exactly what you're going through right now. The immense pressure, the massive dreams, the endless late nights. I get it. I'm stepping in as your mentor today to provide some complete guidance for your entrance exams. But more importantly, we're going to look at exactly what you are working so incredibly hard for. Okay, let's dive into this. They always say the 11th and 12th grades are the most crucial phase of a student's life. And honestly, proper guidance right now is an absolute must. You're quite literally laying the foundation for your entire career here. Having a crystal clear target, that's the absolute greatest motivation you can possibly have. So here's our roadmap for today. We'll start by looking at your crucial journey, then explore the legacy giants, move on to India's rising stars, check out some unique campuses, and finally, reveal the ultimate goal. We're going to break down the real data from 13 incredible IITs, so you know exactly what's waiting for you. All right, part 1, your crucial entrance exam journey, navigating JEA Advanced and GATE. Moving on to part 2, the legacy IIT giants, the absolute benchmarks of engineering excellence. And this brilliantly illustrates what we mean by legacy. We're talking about historic heavyweights here: Bombay, Delhi, Madras, Kanpur, and Kharagpur, all established between 1951 and 1961. These iconic entrances you're seeing, they represent literally decades of innovation, brilliant alumni, and the dreams of millions of students. Let me tell you, walking through these gates as an admitted student is a genuinely life-changing moment. But getting there, well, that requires immense, unyielding focus. Just look at the intense competition for computer science and engineering in 2024. It tells the whole story. IIT Bombay sets the absolute benchmark with a mind-blowing closing rank of just 68. Delhi follows closely at 112, Kanpur at 148, and Madras at 156. To secure a CSE seat here, you've got to be in the absolute top fraction of a percent nationwide. That is the elite level of dedication we're talking about. So, you might be asking, why push yourself that hard? Well, the reward is staggering. The international placements for 2024 are simply mind-boggling. IIT Madras commanded a massive 4.3 crore per annum package. Kharagpur hit 2.14 crore, and Delhi reached 2 crore. Guys, these aren't just salaries. They are a direct testament to the immense global demand for the skills you'll learn at these legacy institutes. Let's take a quick visual breather here and look at the sprawling IIT Kharagpur campus. It spans a massive 2,100 acres. To put that into perspective, that's more than 4 times the size of the entire country of Monaco. It's practically its own city, dedicated entirely to learning. And I absolutely love their profound slogan, which beautifully translates to, "Excellence in action is yoga." It's a great reminder that your intense study sessions right now, your pursuit of academic excellence, it's actually a form of deep focus, discipline, and dedication. All right, part 3, India's rising engineering stars, the post-2000 IITs that are redefining tech. Now, what's really interesting about this slide is the sheer contrast. These rising stars, established around 2008 and 2009, are rapidly making a massive name for themselves. In stark visual contrast to the legacy campuses, the ultra-modern architecture of places like IIT Hyderabad and IIT Indore was built specifically for the 21st century. Their infrastructure is deeply integrated with modern tech needs, reflecting a super forward-thinking approach to engineering education. And that forward-thinking approach is perfectly reflected in their academics, too. While traditional computer science is king at the legacy schools, these rising stars are pioneering highly specialized branches. Take the BTech in Artificial Intelligence and Data Science. At IIT Hyderabad, it has a highly competitive closing rank of 852, and IIT Jodhpur closes at 3698. If you want to be at the absolute forefront of the AI revolution, these newer campuses are exactly where you want to be. And for any parents watching or students maybe a bit worried about the return on investment compared to the older IITs, rest assured, these rising stars still offer incredible ROI. The highest packages for 2024 range from a highly impressive 60 lakhs per annum at IIT Mundi all the way up to a fantastic 90 lakhs per annum at IIT Hyderabad. The undeniable brand power of an IIT, combined with highly specialized modern skills, basically guarantees exceptional career trajectories. Moving to part 4, unique campuses and opportunities. We're talking historic roots and specialized programs. Here, we're exploring institutes that offer some seriously deep historic roots. The almost palatial architecture of IIT BHU Varanasi and IIT Dhanbad is just breathtaking. Did you know IIT Dhanbad was originally established way back in 1926 as the Indian School of Mines, and IIT BHU was established in 1968? Studying here means you're walking the exact same halls that have produced generations of industry leaders. There's a palpable sense of history in these walls that you simply can't manufacture. And keep in mind, your path doesn't just have to be traditional CSE. These unique campuses excel in incredibly diverse fields. For instance, IIT BHU offers a highly coveted integrated BTech plus MTech in mathematics and engineering. IIT Dhanbad is globally renowned for fields like chemical engineering, while newer campuses like IIT Bhilai are rapidly carving out niches in data science and AI. There is absolutely a perfect, specialized program out there for whatever your specific passion happens to be. And hey, let's not forget, the environment you live in for 4 years matters too. Nestled right in the lush green Himalayas is IIT Mandi, easily one of the most beautiful engineering campuses in the entire world. Their slogan is perfectly fitting, scaling the heights. Just imagine waking up to study advanced robotics or AI with that majestic mountain view right outside your hostel window. Pretty amazing, right? Let's move to and see how this builds. Section 5, the ultimate aspirational goal. It's time to visualize your target. So, we've looked at the intense ranks, the cutting-edge programs, and the gorgeous campuses. Now let's bring it all together. 1.32 core per annum, that was IIT Bombay's highest package in 2024. I really want to hammer home the immense, life-altering reward that waits at the end of your difficult preparation. When you're feeling tired, when those mock tests seem impossibly tough, remember the sheer scale of the opportunity you're fighting for. The late nights and the sacrifices, they have a highly tangible payoff. But, it's not just about the money. Amidst the serene, quiet pathways of IIT Kanpur, their beautiful motto reads, "From darkness, lead me to light." Right now, you might feel like you're in the dark, surrounded by confusing physics formulas, heavy math textbooks, and endless stress. But this grueling study phase is exactly the pathway that leads to the light of a brilliant, fulfilling future. I want to conclude by borrowing a powerful slogan from IIT Bombay. Knowledge is the supreme goal. Your pursuit right now is about building your mind, expanding your capabilities, and proving your own resilience. So my ultimate question to you, my dear aspirants, is this. With all these incredible institutions waiting for the best and brightest, which campus will be yours?